More updates on the floods. The Kelantan Public Works Department has estimated an allocation of RM22.5 million to repair federal and state roads damaged by the floods in Kelantan. Deputy Works Minister Datuk Seri Ahmad Maslan said his ministry would request the allocation through the Finance Ministry or National Disaster Management Agency as the damage was caused by a disaster.
Segala maklumat ini kita akan lapor seawal mungkin sehari dua ni. Ya, saya sendiri akan memastikan dia laporan akan dihantar ke MOF dan Bernama. Dan bila mereka akan berikan tu, kita juga akan minta seberapa pantas. Tetapi satu perkara lah, banjir ni dia ada gelombang, bukan?
Speaking to the media at the JKR Kota Baru office before inspecting several flood-affected locations in Kelantan on Monday, Ahmad Maslan said JKR Kelantan would need to wait a few weeks before beginning repair work due to the possibility of recurring floods. As of Sunday, 13 federal roads and 14 state roads have been closed, affecting 15 locations across 5 districts in the state. Among the most severely affected roads are the Gua Musang to Jelawang State Road. In other developments, Ahmad said this year's northeast monsoon has not affected the progress of major projects in Kelantan, such as the Central Ring Road project and the Kota Baru Kuala Krai Road project.
Ketika kita memberikan projek-projek yang berkaitan, tempoh-tempoh yang kita berikan itu, kita memahami bahawa berlaku monsun timur laut dan sebagainya, saya kira dia telah dimasukkan dalam anggaran masa yang diberi kepada pihak yang mendapat projek-projek yang berkaitan seperti sekolah, pusat kesihatan.